In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed on your laptop or your PC or a mobile phone device. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. So you want to check your internet speed? Not a problem. This is exactly what you need to do. The first thing is open your browser. If you have a Windows based PC or a Mac based PC or an Android device or an iOS device, not a problem. You could just open the browser, and once you open any of your browsers, you could just type in my internet speed test, and once you do that, Google or your search engine is going to give you all the results out here. Once you do that, you are going to get an option to run a speed test through the browser itself. Okay, so if you click on this tab, run speed test, you would get a pop-up out here, and this is going to show you the current speed of your current internet connection. So as you can see, this is the result of my speed test: 63 Mbps download and 12 Mbps upload. If you want, you could do a test again, but this is exactly what you need to do. Okay, I hope you liked this short and sweet video. If you did, give my video a thumbs up and check out my other channels. The links are in my description. Take care, my friend.